Hi guys, I'm Eileen. Nice to meet you and welcome back to my channel. Okay, oh my gosh, guess what? I'm using my new camera. Look at it. Look at it. It's oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Beautiful. But yeah, anyways, so it is Sunday today, which means Sunday reset. So here's the game plan. I need to stop looking. I need to look at you. Okay, so I have a lot of things to do. Laundry, right over here. Clean the bathroom, vacuum upstairs, bathe the dogs. We have a lot of things to do. We have to get it done. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, so basically, right now I'm shooting in HD quality because the memory card I have is not compatible to shoot in 4K. So we need to get that done. Not today, but I'm saying that we need to get a memory card that can shoot in 4K. So yeah, right now I'm shooting in HD, and it's pretty late right now. It's 11:12, so we need to get going. But basically, I literally spent my morning like trying to import videos and photos from my SD card to the computer, and it wasn't working for some reason until my dad came and he helped me. And turns out it was that I just needed to free up storage in my laptop, so then everything can be imported. So I did that before starting the vlog. guys, it's been a while. By the way, if my hair looks like a greasy mess, it's because it is. I have coconut oil on it because I mean it's Sunday and it's Reset Sunday, and Reset Sunday also contains of self-care Sunday. So yeah, last week I started putting coconut oil on my hair, like leaving it in while I do my nails. And so yeah, I'm doing it again today because coconut oil I've heard has many benefits for your hair. It moisturizes it, and my hair is so dry. It's like really dry. If I don't do anything to it, like I just wash it and then let it air dry, then it's like really dry and like frizzy. So that's why I always need to put like, you know. Anyways, yeah. Today has been a long day, even though I think it's still pretty early. It's probably like 3 in the afternoon or 2. But I haven't even sat down. Like I'm actually this is my first time in today. No, I'm lying. I sat down in the morning. But like other than that, I'm finally sitting down after doing laundry, which is still not done. I have the second load in. And then I vacuumed upstairs. I cleaned the bathroom. I went downstairs to take the load out, fold the clothes, and now we're here, finally sitting down. But yeah, so basically, sorry, I don't know. Basically, that's what I'm doing. Um, I'm gonna do my nails now. Not painting them because that takes way too long. I'm just gonna like trim them and like file them. Because honestly, I've tried so many times, but I think I'm just not made to paint nails. Like, at least not my own nails, because it's like there's always something that has to go wrong. Always, always, every time. Like, I think I'm doing good when then suddenly, like, my nail rubs on something and the paint rubs off, or like something has to go wrong. So when I've painted my nails, I've never had like a perfect set of nails. There's always one that's like mudged or smudged or whatever word you would use for that. But yeah. Uh, it's been a long day, guys. Sorry. Like my brain is not even like thinking straight. But yeah. Um, let's just do my nails. Okay? Bye. Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So, look at what's behind me. Woo! So basically, Hanukkah is this Thursday. My brother's staring at me. But anyways, Hanukkah is this Thursday. So today, my mom and my brother decorated. They started decorating because this is not finished. But yeah, let me show it to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the other load of laundry and put the last one to dry, fold the other one, and yeah, so it's like 5 o'clock, and yeah, we're pretty much done. We're pretty much done. Yeah, we're gonna eat pizza for dinner, so that's I'm happy. That's what's going on. After this, I'm probably just gonna go upstairs and practice, and yeah, let's do it. Hi guys, I am like so tired. I am so tired. My knees and feet hurt from like standing all day. And I'm ready to sleep because yeah, it's been a long day. But we did a lot. We did a lot. We did the laundry. We cleaned the bathroom. We cleaned upstairs. I bathed the dogs. And yeah, pretty much did everything I needed to do. And yeah, this is my Sunday reset. Normally, I today I did do extra because normally on Sundays I don't bathe the dogs. Um, but normally what I do on Sundays is like laundry and like pretty much everything else. Laundry, clean the bathroom, and vacuum upstairs. Um, but yeah, I'm so tired, guys. And we made it to the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, like I've been looking at other YouTube channels and like YouTube girlies, and like their Sunday resets are like so peaceful and calming and aesthetic. And it's like mines are like tiring. Like I'm tired. I am not at ease. Like I'm ready to like knock out. But yeah. So that's downstairs, sorry. Yeah, this is basically what my hair looks like after putting, sorry for like my uneven hair part. Don't pay attention to it. But yeah, this is basically how my hair looks after coconut oil. Like I didn't do anything to it. And it is less frizzy and shinier, just that obviously when you don't do anything to it, you're gonna have like things like these. Like compare this to these things. I have different hair textures. Sorry, but like yeah, sometimes hair doesn't want to cooperate. I keep looking here. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, anyways, let me not be boring and just say bye. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm trying, I've already told you guys I am so new at this, and I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. But this is the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment down below like YouTube recommendations or like whatever. And subscribe to my channel, please. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Bye.